Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got two new collections for you guys, and then I also have got it's kind of a new item. So we had these in the shop for Ultimate Planner Sale on plain paper, but I thought that these could be really nice to have matching the kits, and you guys can let me know in the comments below, do you like this or no? I'm only gonna do it on the kits, I think, that don't have the deco like we had in last week's. But again, you guys can let me know in the comments if you prefer that, if you prefer these, if you'd like to see both. I think that this is a really nice thing to have the backgrounds that match these kits. So, yeah, for this weekend, we are going to be doing 20% off for everyone. It was supposed to be the Facebook group coupon, but I don't have the graphics and everything done for that, so I thought it would be easier just to do a 20% off code. So that code is Hello Weekend, and that'll be good through Sunday at midnight. If you're watching this video, these are up on the website. So I've got two new collections, like I said, and then these sheets as well. I will go over both. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in just a bit. Okay, so let's get started with the Magic collection. So when I saw this art, I knew that I had to do it. I also really want to do the one that Coffee Doodles just released, but I didn't know if that would be too much to do two Disney kits back to back like that. If you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments. But this one has holographic foil, and I just love how it ended up turning out. So we've got the castle scene up top with the fireworks, this really cute phone with the Mickey case, this outfit, and then you've got just Aspen, honey. I'm sorry, she's very talkative. We've got the Mickeys down here. We've got the drink with, look at the Apple Watch with the mini. I thought that was so cute. And then the backpack, as well as this balloon. Your quote box says, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. That has the little Disney snacks. Then you've got the backpack with the keychain, a couple of more little Mickeys. And then you've got the ears with what would, I think, technically be more like a Dole Whip, but it is a rainbow whip. And then you've got the Pixar here, as well as some kind of confetti up here, and the girl down at the bottom. So this is more of a Disneyland kit, but I just really love this art, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. I also really love these colors. I think they are so nice and fun. Such a pretty colorway. So those are your full boxes. For your second sheet here, you have got labels, quarter boxes, you've got some half boxes down at the bottom, you've got your bow checklist, a couple of appointment labels, some, I don't know what to call these, like fun boxes, and then down at the bottom you've got some functional items. Your next sheet, I did make a little bit of a change. I did not mention that, so I did make a bit of a change to these, so you guys can let me know if you do or don't like it. I did one row a pattern, I did one row the bows. Well, these aren't, I don't think we've had this particular bow. Sorry for the dogs barking. I don't think we've had this particular bow before, but it's similar to what we had before. And then over here, I did change out, we used to have the confetti bow type washi right here. I changed this out to just a confetti overlay. So you guys can let me know how you like that as well. I thought it was fun to have a little bit of a mix, and then your fourth row of headers have that same confetti down here. So you've also got your bow checklist. This does have 7, so if you want to use it as Monday through Sunday, you can. You've got a 3 bow checklist, 2 of the 2 bow checklist, some more quarter boxes here, and then your washi down at the bottom. I did also change the overlay on the washi to be that confetti pattern. And then your last sheet, look at this bottom washi. I love it. So you've got your date covers. Like I said, you have another row of headers. You've got 2 daily trackers. You've got your bow washi and then your bottom washi. And I'm going to try to see if you guys can see this. So it is the snacks in kind of like a mandala pattern. I thought that it was so pretty. So there is your bottom washi. I want to just show it kind of next to your full box sheet. Look at that. I'm so in love with this kit. I think I'm going to use it this weekend. I need to film a plan with me. I've not done one now in a week or two, and I really want to use one of these newer kits with one of these sheets. So this is the sampler sheet. So this is going to be listed totally separate. It's not going to be part of the kit listing. I wanted you to be able to pick it up if you don't want to do the kit, because a lot of people really liked the sampler that was just plain that we had for Ultimate Planner Sale, and that is still up in the shop as well. So I wanted to go ahead and list this by itself. So for this, you get a mix of a lot of our functional items. So you have got these are named numbers, so I don't really have anything for those, but you've got some frames, some boxes, a lot of layering pieces. You've got some dividers here through here. You've got a little bit of deco. You've got some headers, some checklist, and then some flourishes down here at the bottom. And I just thought this would be something fun to have, but you guys can let me know if you'd like to see these again with kits, or if you'd like to see them only if they don't have matching deco. But yeah, so that is the sampler sheet for Magic. And then the second collection that I've got for this week is called Latte. And when I saw this art, it was kind of the same thing. I just knew that I really wanted to use it. So we have got, and I don't do girls very often, but this one actually has 3 plus another one that has hands. And then the Magic one, I feel like I do a decent amount of like girls if it's just their hand or something like that, but this one does have the girl on the pier. But for this one, we've actually got quite a few girls. So down here at the bottom, we have got a coffee shop scene and girl number 1. And then you've got the foiled like string lights. Over here, we've got another coffee scene and girl number 2. We've got some treats over here, as well as some confetti foiling, this really cute AirPod case. Girl number 3 in the coffee shop over here. I thought she was so cute taking a selfie with her coffee. And then up here, we've got a bowl of granola with the confetti foiling as well. And then over here is a latte foiled, which I thought was really cute. I think I want to bring that as a functional item to the shop. And then over here we have got the girl journaling with her laptop and headphones and everything, which I thought was really cute as well. So that is your full box sheet. This one is definitely less foil heavy. And then for your bottom washi, I like to show these side by side. We actually just have the confetti bow foiling for that because I really wanted to keep this leopard pattern. And I wanted to do a foil that didn't really like take away from it, but instead it just kind of went with it a bit better. So you've got your washi, your date covers, and then your headers over there, 2 daily trackers. There are those side by side. The sun is currently setting, so I actually think I'm getting pretty good lighting. And then for your second and third sheet, you've got your boxes, checklist, appointment labels, functional items. This kit I also really love the colors in. That green with the like, it literally is like a latte color. I thought that was so pretty. And then this deeper kind of like grayish, I thought was really pretty as well. And then for your third sheet, we have got your bow headers, confetti headers. The solid headers are the leopard pattern, and then you've got your tracker, check boxes, quarter boxes, and then your washi down at the bottom. So that one is Latte, which I don't know which one of these. Sorry for Oz. I don't know which one of these I'm gonna use this weekend, but I really do want to use one or the other just so that I can try it with a sampler sheet. I wanna play around with it for that. So that is Latte, and then I will quickly show you the Latte Sampler. So I was gonna do the leopard background, but when I ran the test print through, it was kind of just a bit much against it. Granted, I know that once these get pulled up off the sheet, it's not gonna be so much as far as the background, but I wanted to keep it a bit more muted in case you wanted to be able to write in any of the boxes, which I'm assuming for like some of these you definitely would want to be able to. So I think that this pattern turned out just a little bit better. So yeah, here it is with the sampler sheet. I'm really excited for these. And yeah, that's it. That's this week's new releases. I hope that you guys love them. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below, do you like the samplers? Do you prefer the deco? Do you want to see both? Do you not want to see either? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.